Master the art of interactive PowerPoint presentations. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on mastering the art of interactive PowerPoint presentations. Today, we'll explore advanced techniques in PowerPoint that can help transform your static presentations into dynamic, engaging experiences. Get ready to boost your presentation skills to the next level. Interactive presentations are a great way to engage your audience, maintain their attention, and make your information more memorable. Unlike traditional presentations, interactive presentations involve the audience in the storytelling process, often through clickable elements, audience participation, or even quizzes. Hyperlinks and action buttons. These tools can make any object or text in your presentation clickable, leading to a different slide or even an external website. Triggers. Triggers can make objects appear, disappear, or move when you click on another object. It's like an advanced form of hyperlinking, but within the same slide. Slide zoom. This tool allows you to create a summary slide with thumbnails of your slides. You can click on these thumbnails to zoom into a particular slide, making your presentation non-linear and more engaging. Now let's move on to the fun part, creating interactive elements in your PowerPoint presentation. To create hyperlinks, select the text or object you want to link, right-click, and choose Hyperlink. You can link to another slide, a file, or a URL. To create action buttons, go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and you'll find action buttons at the bottom of the menu. After drawing your button, you can set its action. Go to the next slide, previous slide, first slide, last slide, or a specific slide. Triggers are a bit more complex. First, you need to create an animation. Then, in the Animation pane, right-click on the animation and select Start with Previous. Finally, right-click again and select Timing. Under Triggers, select Start Effect on click of, and choose the object that will trigger the animation. Finally, the Slide Zoom feature can be found under the Insert tab. Click on Zoom, then Slide Zoom, and select the slides you want to include. Remember, you can rearrange and resize these thumbnails on your summary slide. Creating interactive elements is just the first step. Here are some tips to ensure your interactive presentation is a success. Plan ahead. Interactive presentations require a well-thought-out structure. Plan your slides and interactive elements carefully. Test your presentation. Always run through your presentation several times to ensure all interactive elements work as expected. Keep it simple. While interactive elements can make your presentation more engaging, too many can be confusing. Aim for a balance. Guide your audience. Make sure your audience knows what's clickable and what's not. Use visual cues or instructions. And that's it. With these advanced PowerPoint techniques, you can transform your presentations into interactive experiences that will captivate your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start experimenting with these tools and see how you can make your presentations more engaging. I hope this video has been helpful, and happy presenting!